So in this video today we're gonna discuss about phylum porifera. As in the we have in whole world we have many phylums. So most common there are nine most common phylums, nine. And today from nine first phylum we're gonna start, that is phylum porifera. So let's discuss phylum porifera. So actually phylum porifera is come from the group of protozoa, come from the protista, come from protista, come from protista. And in protista what we have, in protista we have main group that is known as protozoa. Protozoa. So phylum porifera is basically what? Phylum porifera is a is this phylum porifera come in the group of protozoa. After that, here what we have, this is the most primitive phylum of animal kingdom. What? Let me write here. Most primitive, sorry, most primitive phylum. Okay, this is the most primitive phylum. After that, here what we have, now here word phylum porifera. Phylum, as we have many phylums, now here word porifera. So what does the porifera word means? As pori means pores, holes, yeah we can say pores. Dot dot खाली खाली जगह है pores. And fera means bearing. Bearing मतलब हर जगह पे सुराख सुराख हो. So polyphera means the kingdom, or we can say the animal which have only pores. Only pores are present, pore bearing animals. So here the main example is sponges. Sponges or phylum porifera is also known as, it is also known as sponges. Okay, sponges, as sponges have pore like structure, so those are also pore bearing. Okay, after that here we have, now here I'm gonna tell you some more interesting things, that phylum porifera is sessile. Now what does the word sessile means? Sessile means they cannot move, cannot move. But there is one stage in the development, that is larva stage. In that there is the movement of phylum motile. In that they phylum porifera are what? They are motile. Actually they are sessile, but the one stage, that is larva stage during development, so that stage in that they are motile. After that they are attached to the root, or we can say sand, and then they cannot move, so they are sessile. Fine. After that here what we have, that these animals are basically live in aquatic condition, live in aquatic, live in aquatic. Now here we have two type of aquatic. Aquatic means water. Here we have two type of water. Number one is marine water. Another is fresh water. So marine water, mostly phylum porifera live in marine water. Live in marine water. While few live in fresh water. Few live in fresh water. After that, now here we have symmetry. What actually symmetry is of these phylum? symmetry. So they are asymmetrical, means they cannot be cut into the equal parts. So they are what? They are asymmetrical. They cannot cut into equal parts. Okay. So let me write here asymmetrical. And here, if I do talk about the level of organization, so they are at the cellular level. Fine. And what else? Yeah. Now here I'm gonna draw the basic diagram of that. So in the next video, we're gonna discuss the detail of diagram. So here we have the basic diagram which I'm gonna draw. Fine. Here we have pores present. Actually, the whole body is porous. From here the water came. वाटर इन सुराखों से अंदर जाता है, सो दैट होल्स आर नोन एज ओस्टिया. इन होल्स को हम एक नाम देते हैं, दीज होल्स आर नोन एज ओस्टिया. और फ्रॉम दीज होस्टिया देयर इज वन कैनाल दैट इज नोन एज स्पंजो seal. From these, the water goes into the spongiocele. After that, from this canal, the water move out, and from this one big one hole, the water will move out. This is known as osculum. Osculum. Hopefully, this is clear to you guys. So, in the next video, we're gonna discuss about the whole diagram of phylum porifera. Bye bye.